Hear my humble prayer, O Lord. Help to pull me through. Sweet, sweet, sweet Jesus, I turn to you. So many times I've wondered, confused on where to turn. Do you ever hear my cries? Do you know how I feel inside? Many times I've wondered, unsure of how to learn what it is I need to do to prove my love to you. Hear my humble prayer, O Lord. Help to pull me through. Sweet, sweet, sweet Jesus, I turn to you. Yes, I think I found the path, and yes, I've seen the light. I can feel you when I pray and smile for yet another day. Though the road has been a journey, but I've grown along the way. And to you I give my heart, and for you my life.